Ever booked a meeting through HubSpot and wondered what happens to all that information you shared? Where does it go? How does HubSpot use it? Is it safe? These are questions I get a lot, and honestly, they're questions I had too. So, in this video, we're diving deep into HubSpot's data usage practices, breaking down exactly how they use your meeting data and what it means for you. We live in a world driven by data. Every click, every form submission, every meeting scheduled leaves a digital footprint. And when you use a platform like HubSpot, which is a powerful marketing, sales, and service hub, that footprint can be pretty significant. HubSpot offers a ton of tools, including meeting scheduling, and that convenience comes with the exchange of information. But what information? And how is it being leveraged? That's what we're uncovering today. First, let's talk about the kind of data HubSpot collects when you schedule a meeting. It's probably more than you think at first glance. Obviously, there's the basic stuff, your name, email address, and the meeting topic. This is essential for, well, having a meeting. HubSpot needs to know who you are and what you want to talk about. But it doesn't stop there. Depending on how the meeting is set up, HubSpot might also collect your company name, job title, phone number, and even your location. This information helps the person you're meeting with prepare and understand your context. For example, if you're scheduling a sales demo, knowing your company size and industry can be crucial for tailoring the presentation. Beyond the information you directly provide, HubSpot also collects data about your interaction with the meeting link itself. This can include things like when you clicked the link, what device you used, and even your IP address. This type of data, often called metadata, might seem less important, but it actually plays a vital role in HubSpot's analytics and reporting. Now, you might be thinking, okay, HubSpot collects all this data, but what do they actually do with it? That's the million-dollar question, and it's where things get interesting. HubSpot uses your meeting data for a variety of purposes, and it's important to understand each of them. One of the primary uses is, unsurprisingly, to facilitate the meeting itself. This involves sending confirmation emails, reminders, and calendar invites. HubSpot acts as the intermediary, ensuring that both parties have the necessary information and are kept in the loop. But the data's utility extends far beyond just scheduling. It feeds into HubSpot's broader CRM or customer relationship management system. If the person you're meeting with is using HubSpot's CRM, your meeting data can be automatically logged and associated with your contact profile. This creates a valuable record of your interactions, which can be used to personalize future communications and improve the overall customer experience. Let's say you have a meeting with a sales representative. After the meeting, they can use the notes and information gathered from the meeting, along with the data HubSpot collected, to follow up with you more effectively. They can tailor their messaging based on your specific needs and interests, making the sales process more efficient and personalized. Another way HubSpot uses your meeting data is for analytics and reporting. By tracking various metrics, such as the number of meetings scheduled, the average meeting duration, and the conversion rates from meetings to closed deals, HubSpot can provide valuable insights to its users. This data can help businesses understand the effectiveness of their sales and marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions to improve their strategies. Now, here's the part that often causes the most concern. How does HubSpot use my data for marketing? This is where it's crucial to distinguish between different types of data and how they are used. HubSpot itself does not typically use your individual meeting data for direct marketing to you, unless you've specifically opted in to receive marketing communications from them. However, the person or company you're meeting with might use your data for their own marketing purposes, provided they have your consent to do so. For example, if you schedule a meeting with a marketing agency, they might use the information you provided to send you targeted emails about their services. This is where it's important to be aware of the privacy policies of the companies you interact with and understand how they use your data. So, is your data safe with HubSpot? HubSpot takes data security very seriously. They have various measures in place to protect your data, including encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. They are also compliant with various data privacy regulations, such as GDPR. However, it's important to remember that no system is completely impenetrable. Data breaches can happen, and it's crucial to be aware of the risks involved in sharing your information online. One thing to keep in mind is that you have some control over your data. You can typically access, modify, or delete the information you've provided to HubSpot. You can also control your privacy settings and choose what information you want to share. It's always a good idea to review these settings and make sure you're comfortable with the level of information you're sharing. In summary, HubSpot uses your meeting data for a variety of purposes, including facilitating the meeting, enriching CRM data, providing analytics, and potentially for marketing purposes by the person or company you're meeting with. While HubSpot takes data security seriously, it's important to be aware of the risks involved and take steps to protect your own data. Understanding how your data is used is crucial in today's digital landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.